Hi, first grade, Miss Wingard here. I've set up my own home store and it is called Wingmart. So welcome to Wingmart. For this activity, you're going to get a chance to create your own home store too. So to do this, you'll want to find at least 5 items to put in your store. You could use stuffed animals, toys, school supplies, snacks, anything that you can find, and you want to have at least 5 items, but you can always have more. Then you're going to label and come up with a cost for each of those items. So for example, candy is 10 cents each. So I went ahead and labeled my items. When you're ready and your store is ready, then it's time to go shopping. You can print the shopping bag on the slide or create your own that looks similar, but you're going to go shopping for 3 items. You're going to write the name of each item and how much each item costs, and then come up and find the total cost for all 3 items. Make sure you use one of the math strategies that we talked about yesterday in math and reviewed again today. Have a great day, happy shopping, and we hope you enjoy your home store. Bye!